Welcome to Science in a Minute.
Hi, it's Jet. Welcome to Science in a Minute. Today we have another topic about Newton's laws of motion. And here's another question. Can you give me an example of Newton's first law in everyday life? A car accelerating from a stoplight. B. A ball is thrown into the air. C. A book lying on a table until someone moves it. Or D. A rocket launching into space. The correct answer is C. Why? A common example is a book lying on a table. The book will remain at rest until someone applies a force to move it. Similarly, a rolling ball on a flat surface will eventually come to a stop due to the external forces of friction and air resistance acting on it. And that's it for today's Science in a Minute. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you until next time.